With so many products on the market, picking out the perfect pick will be challenging, so we have chosen the 6 best products out there to make it easier for you. Please check the description for more information and its latest pricing. Despite harking back to 2018, the Tello happily occupies this spot in the budget drone list without any contender to topple it. The combination of DJI's tech and an Intel processor gives the system a lot of power, so the digital stabilization of the video is good for 720p. The drone has removable propeller projections for safe play and vision-based downward sensor for perfect hovering, and landing through the flash's launch by throwing it into the air is even cooler. We like that remotes isn't needed. The Easy Shots Control app provides a live view and on-screen control, but you can always add a generic Bluetooth game controller. The standout feature, though, has to be compatibility with the education targeting programming languages, Scratch, making this the best way to teach programming. The practical effect is that the video is susceptible to interference, and the drone has no MicroSD backup. The results, though, aren't really designed for examinations under a digital loupe. This drone remains a unique product, creating its own universe and enthusiasm, for it doesn't seem to be waning. We could think of a few possible improvements: a wider field of view, better camera, USB-C charging port, and even onboard recording, but it wouldn't be easy to imagine getting all these without the price climbing. Holystone HS175D is a feature-packed, affordable drone. This drone has a 12MP 4K ultra clear camera that has 120 degrees wide angle and a 90-degree adjustable feature that provides high-quality resolution pictures. It also has a GPS-assisted auto-return feature that allows the device to return back to the place where it took off from in case of lost control. This drone has a flight time of 46 minutes with the use of 2 batteries that are provided with the device. It also has some advanced features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and 1-key takeoff and landing. It comes with a carrying case. Moreover, HS175D is a foldable drone, which makes it portable for outdoor traveling. The exciting feature of this drone is that it has the follow mode, where the drone will follow you automatically along the path that you set. It also has a circle fly feature in which the device flies around a specific object. This mode can give a 360-degree view of the object or a person from an elevated angle. The device weighs 215 grams, so you don't have to worry about getting it registered with the authorities. In the front is where the drone features a fixed 720p HD camera. The motor arms are also completely foldable. This means you can easily fold the drone and store it inside your pocket or jacket pocket for an easy travel. The battery is located underneath and provides up to 10 minutes of flight time. At this price range the DEERC D20 drone is going for, it is definitely a healthy amount of flight time. Design-wise, the DEERC D20 drone is made with durable and thick ABS plastic, protecting against rough impacts and crashes, especially if you are a first-time flyer who wants to learn how to fly. This crash-proof drone is capable of taking a rough beating without breaking apart. This mini foldable drone features a fixed 720p HD camera, which means it can be adjusted remotely via remote control, although you can manually adjust the drone's camera if you want to capture it from a different aerial perspective. Furthermore, the DEERC D20 drone can only capture stills and record videos at 720p resolution quality. The lighting and color quality could be more vibrant compared to more expensive drones. It has many features and simple flight controls designed for beginners and first-time flyers. While it could have a better camera quality, it will teach and develop your aerial photography skills. Featuring 10 minutes of flight time and a maximum remote control distance of 40 meters, it is one of the best affordable and budget-friendly camera drones for beginners and first-time flyers. The BETAFPV Cetus Lite FPV drone kit for kids is a perfect gift for children and beginners who want to start their FPV flying journey indoors. With its genuine altitude hold and self-protection function, this drone ensures a safe and stable flight experience for young pilots. The drone features 2 speed modes, allowing kids to choose between low and high speeds, depending on their skill level. One of the standout features of the BETAFPV Cetus Lite FPV drone kit is its simulator readiness, which enables kids to practice flying in a virtual environment before taking to the skies. This helps them gain confidence and develop their piloting skills without the risk of crashing the drone. The drone is easy to assemble and comes with everything needed for a ready-to-fly experience, including a remote control and FPV goggles. The BETAFPV Cetus Lite FPV drone kit is designed with durability in mind, making it suitable for indoor flights without worrying about damaging furniture or walls. It also has built-in self-protection features that automatically stop the motors to prevent damage in case of collision. With its sleek design and kid-friendly features, the BETAFPV Cetus Lite FPV drone kit is a perfect entry-level option for kids and beginners to start their FPV flying adventure safely and with loads of fun. The Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone is the perfect choice for kids and beginners who are eager to explore the world of RC flying. With its user-friendly features and upgraded design, this drone makes flying easy and enjoyable for both boys and girls. The auto-hovering feature allows the drone to hover at a certain height, making it easier to control and maintain stability during flight, even for inexperienced pilots. The headless mode feature eliminates the need to worry about the drone's orientation, as it always moves in the direction of the remote control, regardless of its actual front direction. The Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone comes with 3 batteries, providing extended flight time and more opportunities for fun. The included remote control allows for precise control of the drone's movements, making it easy to navigate and perform tricks. The drone's small size and lightweight design makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor flights, and is built to withstand minor crashes, ensuring durability and longevity. The Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone is fun to fly and encourages creativity, exploration, and hand-eye coordination in kids. It's a great gift choice for children and beginners who are interested in the world of drones, providing a safe and enjoyable flying experience for hours of entertainment. If you're looking for one of the best drones with a camera for kids or teens to enable them to step into an unimaginable perspective of their surroundings, then Heygelo S90 drone is the best to give them a start. It is great for beginners due to the one-key start landing feature. The Heygelo S90 drone offers 3 different speeds, making it suitable for pilots of all skill levels. It can fly at a speed of up to 15 kilometers per hour, providing a thrilling and dynamic flight experience. The foldable designs make it easy to carry and transport, and an excellent option for outdoor adventures or travel. This drone with a foldable mini fuselage design would redefine the angles at the height by performing more than 10 professional stunts, which include a 360-degree flip, high-speed rotation, circle flight, trajectory flight, and more. In terms of affordability, it is the best drone with a camera under $100, which makes it the cheapest best drone with a camera. With its sleek and modern design, the Heygelo S90 drone makes it a great gift for children interested in drones and aerial photography. It's a versatile and user-friendly drone that offers an exciting and immersive flying experience for beginners and experienced pilots alike.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.